Good morning and welcome to this new day. An intentional morning routine can set the tone for a calm and positive day ahead. Hello, I'm Sara Raymond from the Mindful Movement. Here we are an oasis where you can come to tap into your inner peace, positive mindset, and the ability for self-healing. As we begin, allow yourself a tender moment as you first awaken. I invite you to make yourself comfortable. You may choose to do this practice in the warm snuggle of your bed, or come to a seated posture if you prefer. Close your eyes and rest your hands in an easy, effortless position with your palms open. Take a brief moment to welcome this brand new day and connect with why you are coming to your practice. Thank yourself for taking the time to sit and connect with yourself at the start of this new day. Become aware of the place where your body meets the support beneath you. Feel the weight of your body in combination with gravity at the place of contact. And perhaps notice the grounding effect. Linger in this grounding sensation, connecting to the here and now. Let this grounding give you a sense of safety and support. Allow a feeling of softening and opening to expansiveness. Now bring your attention inward to your breath, to the path your breath takes as it moves in through your nostrils. Then notice where it flows once it travels inside of your body. Take a few full, slow, deep breaths to encourage a sensation of relaxation to inhabit your entire body. Invite each breath to go deeper, all the way down into your belly. And then let it go. Inhale, your belly expands. Exhale, your belly falls. Choose to consciously relax with each exhale. Now enjoy your natural breath rhythm. As you continue to breathe naturally, notice how each inhale and exhale make your body feel. Notice what sensations arise with each breath. Use each passing breath to continue the release process throughout your body. Invite your breath to align your body, mind, and spirit as you welcome this new day. Sense the sound of your breath, allowing you to return to the now, to be present. With your next beautiful, intentional breath, notice the movement of your chest, the rise with your inhale, and the fall with your exhale. Sense the expansion of your ribs as you breathe in, filling up with nourishment for the rest of your day. And feel the soft contracting of the same area as you exhale and let go. Each exhale is a time to let go even further, to let go of anything negative that will not support you living intentionally throughout your day. Inhale with a sense of energetic expansion or inspiration. Exhale with a sense of letting go of tension, letting go of any need to hold on or control. Because you can let go with every exhale, you can make room. You can more clearly focus on what's important to you. Let your attention drift from your breath and move to the area of your heart. Now that your body and mind are relaxed and open, it is the perfect time to set your intention for the day ahead. Notice what's in your heart and what's most important to you in this present moment. Set your intention and connect deeply with this intention. Breathe deeply, filling up fully and breathing out completely. Do this again, breathing in to brighten your posture and build a bit more energy to enliven your body and mind again. Bring your hands together at your third eye, the space between your eyes. Thank yourself for taking this time to lovingly connect with yourself and prepare for this brand new day. And if it feels right for you, now place your left hand on your heart and your right hand on top of your left. Breathe deeply, sensing the movement of your chest beneath your hands. As you make this connection with your heart, feel a sense of gratitude wash over your entire body. Sit with all you are thankful for right now. Remember, today is a new day. You can choose to focus on what you are grateful for. You can choose to be intentional with your day. When it feels right to you, open your eyes and see the space you are in with a renewed sense of gratitude. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you have an amazing day.